Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. This intro is now becoming a little bit easier, getting more confident. It's great, love it. If you like the look that I'm wearing today, I've just done an eye makeup tutorial. We're not doing base today, but I might do that in another video if you do want to see that again. I've already done that, but if you want to see it, I'll definitely do it. I recently put up a poll on Instagram to see whether people wanted to see like a natural half cut crease or a more colourful one. So you're getting a wee bit of blending colours together here, which is quite fun since that's what most of you voted for. But I will probably do a more natural one since a lot of people will wear that more often. So you can get a wee bit more out of it. But for any makeup artist or anyone who wants to try colour, hopefully this tutorial will help you out a little bit. So if you want to see how I did this eye look, then please keep on watching. Quickly before I start, I hope everyone is keeping safe and staying inside as much as you can. It's mental, I still can't really come to grips with it. I just hope that everyone's safe and everyone's family's safe and everybody's good. We all need to come together at this time and try and stay as positive as we can. To start off, I'm just going to mix these two shades together. This is the P. Louise base again in shade 2 and 3, so I'm just going to mix these together and apply this onto my eye. And I'm using this Molly O'Brien brush, and this is in Tory M02. And then I'm just applying this all the way up to my brow on my eye. I'm just going to work with the Lorac Pro Artistry book. I did a review on this recently on my channel if you want to have a look at that. I will link that down below. And I'm just going to start by going in with Blue Moon here, this nice dark blue shade. And I'm going in with this Crown Bullet brush, and this is natural hair brush. These are definitely my favourite for applying shadow with. And I'm going to apply that into my outer corner and up above the crease. And I'm blending that into the centre. I'm now using this Peaches and Cream brush in PC14, and this is a really dense brush this side, so this is really good for getting a nice sharp line with. And I'm going to go into the Fizzy Grape here. With Fizzy Grape, I'm just applying that into the centre and blending that into the blue. And I'm now going in with this other small dense brush. Now I actually got this from Next. I got this in a pack in Next, but I really like the look of the brushes and they're actually really good. So I'm going to go into Mulberry here. This is a nice cranberry shade, and I'm blending this into the purple and down towards the inner corner of my eye. Going in with this Lick and Lash brush. This is another bullet brush. But this one is a little bit less dense, so you can blend out a wee bit easier with it. And I'm going to go into Splash, this kind of turquoise colour here. And this is just going to blend the blue out the way, up towards my eyebrow. I'm now just blending that out a little bit with the Spectrum B07 brush. This is so cute, I love the design on it. And this is a fluffy brush. I'm going in with this Molly O'Brien brush, and this is Jade M014. Now I'm using a lot of brushes for this look, but we have got a lot of colours going on. That's the only reason why. And I'm going to dip into Frisky here. This is a nice grape sort of colour. And I'm applying that on top of the purple that we've already done. And with another flat brush, this is from Lick and Lash, another natural hair brush, I'm going into this bright pink here, Dragon Fruit. And I'm applying that above the darker pink that we've done in here. And I'm going to darken up that pink again with the initial colour that we used. I'm now going in with the Be Perfect Cosmetics and Stacey Marie Carnival XL Pro palette, and I'm just going to be using the black in here because we don't have a black in the other palette. And with this Spectrum brush, this is A12, I'm going to dip into that colour, and this is just to darken up that blue in the corner. And then to help that blend in a bit better, I'm going back in with that blue just to blend those together. Before we cut the crease, I'm just going to get a tissue and go over my eyelid just to remove any of that base that we're not going to need. Then going in with the best crease cutter ever. This is the Acid Rain collection with P. Louise and Mitchell. And this paint is called Blank Canvas. And I'm using this Peaches and Cream brush. This is in PC40 and it's really flat at the ends. So it's really good for applying that product. When I've put this base on, I like to blend it out a little bit because I don't like to put too much product on the eye because it'll crease. So using this Bobbi Brown brush, I'm just going to blend that down a little bit. And then if there's any colour coming through, like this pink colour in here, I just dab over that a little bit as well. Going back into the Lorac Pro palette, I'm going to go into the shimmery yellow shade, and this is called Pineapple Juice, and I'm just going in with this flat Morphe brush. And I'm applying this to the inner half of my eyelid.
Anybody from her family ever again, and it's really, nobody knows whether she got on the bus.
I'm now using another flat Morphe brush, and I'm going to go into this green kiwi here, and I'm applying this into the centre of my lid. I'm going in with the same brush, but I'm going to use the clean other side. I'm going to go into Hocus Pocus here, and this is a shimmery blue shade. Going back in with that shimmery yellow, I'm just going to go over the green a little bit to brighten it up because it is a little bit dark. And I'm now going back into Blue Moon to blend those together slightly. I'm just going to go away and do my base off camera, and I'll be right back. I've done my base off camera, and I'm now going to go under my eyes. I'm going back into Blue Moon, and I'm going to apply this underneath my eye. I'm now going back into Splash, and I'm just going to blend that underneath. I'm going to go a wee bit green under my eyes here, and I think I'm going to blend that into yellow. That kind of coincides with what I've done on the lid. So I'm going into Potion, which is right at the bottom here, and I'm going to blend that under my eye. And I'm going to blend that out with Avocado here. I'm just going to finish off the shadow by going in with this yellow here. This is shade Circus. And this is going towards my inner corner now. And to finish off the shadow, I'm going to go into this Doll Beauty highlighter duo. They're so pretty. And I'm just going to use the same yellow brush that I used because I quite like it to be a wee bit yellow in the inner corner. And I'm going into the lighter one here, and I'm applying that to my inner corner. Actually, look how many brushes I've used. Oh, got a lot of cleaning to do after this. Good thing we've got the handy It's So Clean here. Use code LisaChandler32110 for 10% off. I'm now applying mascara, and this is Rimmel Scandalise. I'm actually just thinking after doing that I might put a wee bit of colour in my waterline. So I'm going to go in with this Peely's base, and this is one of their coloured bases and it's Winter Rose. I'm using the same brush that I used in my last video for going into my waterline, and this is the Morphe Jaclyn Hill brush JH42. And again, this is really soft, it's really nice on the eyes. To finish off, I'm using my Tatty Lashes in Tails 6. I have used these a couple of times, they've been through the wars, but I love them, so. And then we'll be right back. I've just put on my lashes and I realised I forgot to put eyeliner on, so I just put a wee bit of eyeliner on as well, make it a little bit thicker. This is the finished look. I feel like I probably should have put some better on than my vegan top. I also took my hair down. I've just had my extensions pushed up today, so my head's so sore. I don't know whether you want me to just post eyes or if you want to post full face tutorials, but I feel like my base never really changes that much. It normally just stays the same, so I don't know if it's worth your time having to see it over and over again. Like, you can just go back to my first video and have a look there. But let me know if you would want me to do a full face. I don't need to just do eyes. But stay went for a nice colourful eye. Again, using the Lorac Pro Artistry book. It's so cute. So I used more colours today, which is super fun. But I hope you liked this video. If you did, can you leave a like down below? Comment if you like, send me a message, let me know what videos you want to see. Subscribe, turn on the notification bell, and I will see you again on my next video.